Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a DIY coffee scrub. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this face scrub you'll be needing 3 ingredients, which are half a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of coffee, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Finally, you can mix the ingredients well and we're good to go. As always, every time before you apply any sort of face scrub or face mask, make sure your face is clean. Especially if you have makeup on, remember to remove your makeup first and then head on to wash your face and wipe with a face towel. For those of you who don't know, the brown sugar in this scrub works as a great exfoliator. The brown sugar helps to remove any dead skin cells on the face. The natural antioxidants in the coconut oil helps fade and reduce the appearance of dark spots. On a side note, for those of you who have an acne-prone skin, I would suggest you to skip the coconut oil and substitute it with any other oil that are non-comedogenic, such as shea butter, that don't clog your pores. Also, if you cannot stand the smell of coconut oil, you can try using the other natural oils such as olive oil or almond oil. Coffee works as an excellent exfoliator as it helps in removing residual dirt on your skin to give you a younger and fresher skin. Coffee also makes your blood vessels tighter and firmer quickly, giving your skin a firmer appearance. As a measure of taking good care of your skin, it is important that you exfoliate not more than 2 times a week. Exfoliating your skin gives you a natural glow by scrubbing away clogged pores. It also stimulates blood circulation, breathing new life into your skin. Once you're done applying the scrub, you can leave it on about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off in circular motion. After I washed off the scrub, I could feel that my face was a lot softer, smoother, and moisturized. Do try this scrub and let me know your thoughts. Oh, and by the way, the measurements I used for the ingredients was only for a one-time use. If you would like to make this scrub for your friends or your family members, you can add maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons more for all the ingredients. Again, it totally depends on how many people would intend to apply it. Also, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. That's all for now. Bye!